Installing a front air baffle. Note, the SR860 V3 is shown in this video, but the replacement procedures for the SR860 V4 are identical. Align the front air baffle tabs with the front air baffle slots on both sides of the chassis, and then lower the front air baffle into the server. Slightly press the front air baffle down until it is securely seated. Route the cables through the front air baffle. If necessary, reconnect the M.2 backplane cables. If necessary, reconnect the RAID flash power module cables. Reinstall the front top cover.